What's up, YouTube? I got a good unboxing today. I just got back from my Mac Tool dealer's truck. Went over to meet up with him, make a payment, and I ended up walking off the truck with this. By the way, my wife almost had a heart attack. But this is the Mac Tools AWP 099 1-inch pistol grip impact gun. I haven't even got it open yet. Well, on the truck I did. Got 2,500 foot-pounds in reverse breakaway torque. Lightweight, comfortable rubber grips. And she looks like that. Let's see what the specs are. Yep, 2,500, 5,000 RPMs, 11 inches long, 15 pounds. That's about it. Let's take a look. See what we got. Instructions on how to be a fucking diesel mechanic. Good shit. There's that motherfucker. That is a bad motherfucker. I've been eyeing this thing for going on 6 months now. Wanted it. Main reason I wanted it was because when you're doing the transmission output yokes, trying to get a tire gun up there, it's fucking dangerous. Especially when your shop has the Harbor Freight one with the stupid, where's it at? The trigger on the back of the handle. So when you bump it, it fucks your day up. Hurts. Anyway, I got this mainly for that and any other shit I want to do that's damn tight. U-bolts, lug nuts, obviously. So yeah, that's the one. Comes with the little grip D handle. Bolts on. Let me see if I can get some help out here at the camera. And I'll bolt that on so you guys get a complete overview. Anybody got a free hand? Get out here. You, child. Child, come. Come on, Bingleberry. All you gotta do is hold the camera. It ain't that hard. Kind of like a PlayStation controller. Just hold it. Don't push no fucking buttons though. They want you to know how to do it.
I haven't even started this.
Here you go.
Maybe 1.5.
All I gotta do is put the gun together. You got me arguing with you guys on YouTube right now. I just want to show them what it's gonna look like with the handle on it. on there? Almost.
Okay.
Fingers getting tired?
No.
Good. Of course, I put it on the wrong fucking side. There she is. Tell me that ain't a bad motherfucker. Anyway, that's the gun. Thanks for your help.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Sorry to pry you away from whatever the hell you were doing. Yeah. Alright. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. We'll get it to work tomorrow. See how the hell she works. She lives up to the hype. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe if you want to see more tool unboxings. I'll keep buying them if you guys want to watch them. Thanks.